curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. How does a simple green leaf capture solar energy to manufacture food? Welcome to Leaf Anatomy. The absolute top of the leaf is protected by the waxy cuticle, preventing essential internal water from evaporating. Just beneath the cuticle is the upper epidermis. It is completely transparent, allowing sunlight to pass directly through. Inside is the mesophyll. This is the highly active middle tissue layer where the plant produces its food. The top section is the Palisade Mesophyll. These tall, packed cells absorb the absolute maximum amount of incoming sunlight. Below that is the Spongy Mesophyll. These cells are loosely arranged, creating large internal spaces for atmospheric gas exchange. The underside features stomata. These microscopic pores physically open and close to regulate which gases enter and exit. Stomata are biologically controlled by guard cells. They swell with water to open the pore or deflate to seal it. When open, the leaf pulls in atmospheric carbon dioxide and safely releases waste oxygen back into the environment. Leaf veins use xylem tubes to deliver liquid water and phloem tubes to carry energy-rich sugar away to the rest of the plant. Inside the mesophyll cells are chloroplasts. These are the specific organelles where photosynthesis actually occurs. The chloroplast contains thylakoids. These stacked disc-like structures hold the specific chemical pigments needed to capture radiation. Thylakoids are packed with chlorophyll. This specific green pigment molecule chemically absorbs the incoming solar electromagnetic radiation. The chlorophyll uses solar energy to split water molecules apart, releasing the electrons needed to turn carbon dioxide into food. These atoms are chemically reassembled into glucose, a powerful energy sugar, leaving pure oxygen as a vital byproduct. Remember, the epidermis protects, stomata exchange gases, and mesophyll chloroplasts use chlorophyll to chemically turn sunlight into sugar. Every leaf is an incredibly efficient, microscopic chemical factory. Stay curious and keep growing. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.